I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Dashing through the snow to the one-door closed garage. Well, it's kind of nasty today. It really didn't start to really get going until about 11 o'clock. It's been snowing since last night, but didn't snow much until around 11 o'clock today. And it's been kind of on and off, and the temperature's kind of hovering around the melting point, so sometimes it looks like it was raining, sometimes it looks like it was snowing. And at the moment it looks like it's snowing. So certainly not real bad out, but certainly not a day you want to be outside for very long. So we'll see if we can get in the garage here today and get the fire on. Alright, I guess we should be able to get in here now. There we go, look at that. Good day, tractors. Alright, there we go. Well, I guess one of you are going to be going out tomorrow. I don't think you'll be going out today. Not that nice out, but like I said, it's not that bad either. So now got to get things going here. I'll get me other phone plugged in because it's got to be charged. There now. So definitely winter is here now, that is for sure. And the thing about this kind of storm, if you went out in it now, let's say, the winds this morning were northeast. So northeast is kind of, let me get around here. Northeast is kind of coming. I can show it here or not. Northeast is kind of coming this way. From behind the car, let's say, towards the woods, but not right directly across. It's kind of halfway down the woods is about where it was coming across, I guess. Anyway, the wind has changed around to the northwest now, so it's now going that way. Northeast is this way. So if you went out snow blowing today in the northeast wind, because it's going like this, you would more than likely get covered in snow from the chute. I try and blow the snow normally all the time over into the woods, but depending on the draft from the house, there tends to be a vacuum there, so that kind of changes the direction quite a bit. And but I always try and blow that way. And so the northeast wind is not good because it is dependent on the degree of northeast. could be coming around and coming almost directly at the door here. So when you're going out and trying to blow that way, if the wind is strong, it's pretty well blowing the snow back on top of you. So with the northwest wind, it's a lot better because it's going that way anyway. So that's the direction I'm trying to blow the snow in. So yeah, there's different winds that make it better or worse for blowing snow. Like I say, you get up around by the house at the side door where I came out, you get all steamied up here. Yeah, you come out that side door where I come out of there, that causes a vacuum there with the wind, and you get the wind kind of swirling around there in front of that car. So you can get covered in any direction up there. But anyway, northeast wind is not good for these tractors that have the chute on the front there. And but the good thing is, this with tractor, instead of you blowing snow straight up, you can quickly put the chute down. That pretty well eliminates any snow getting on you. I don't have that option on the case. It's kind of set to where it's set, and that's where it goes. So you kind of got to put up with it, I guess. So this one over here is the same thing as the Ford. With the hydraulic cylinder, you can just drop that just as quick. That thing moves. Both of them move as quick as you can move the lever down the coast. So yeah, eliminate that problem of having snow blowing on you. For the most part, you're not out of the wind completely, or out of the snow, but it pretty well takes it all away. Now this tractor here, it also has the chute. It's got the power window chute on it, so you can drop it fairly quick on that one too. But because of the cab, you don't necessarily need it. So that's pretty well my snow thing for today. I don't think I'm going to be going out today. Years ago when I was young, yes, I might have ventured out. Or if I had to get out. But I don't have to get out now, so. And because the wife is retired now, she don't have to get out anymore either, so. That kind of eliminates me having to get out early in the mornings to get the driveway cleaned out so she could get to work. That's that. Anyway, I'm babbling too much and I got no heat going here yet, so I'm going to get the heat going and I'll get it back to you. There might be some hot water here today. All right, we're going to do the weather while I'm at it here. So we're at -1 Celsius at the moment. And I did see 0 here a couple of hours ago, and that was when it seemed like it was kind of melting. My truck was, you could see it was all, the snow was melted off of it at that point. It wasn't too long afterwards that it all froze up again. So we're at 0 or -1 degree Celsius, and that would be, I think, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. 31 degrees Fahrenheit, look at that. Snow and blowing snow. Pressure is going down, 29.3 inches. Wind is northwest at 38-mile-an-hour gusts. Wind chill is 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Visibility is 0.4 of a mile. So not a good day to be out on the roads, that's for sure. So that's what it's supposed to be today. We did see the 0 degree Celsius mark, so snow at times heavy and blowing snow. Flurries tonight, 60% chance tomorrow morning and 30% chance tomorrow night of flurries, and flurries or sun on Monday, -8, -8, and -10 tomorrow Sunday night. So Christmas Eve day and night is a chance of flurries, 60% chance. That'll make everybody excited. And December 2nd or December 25th is sun and cloud. 2 degrees minus. There we are, up into Friday, we're back to 0 degrees, so there could very well possibly be a January thaw coming after that. So, anyway, with the snow that we have on the ground, we are going to have a white Christmas. Is pretty well guaranteed now, because all temperatures are below the freezing mark for the next 4 days. So there we go. That's our weather for today, and that is Saturday, December 21st. The fire is going here, and I can't really feel a whole bunch of heat yet, but it's going to take a little while with the wind today. Oh yeah, she's kind of going along here now. Yeah. Good draft anyway today. Yeah, so anyway, I don't know what else I'm going to tell you today. I'm kind of just out here because I couldn't sit in the house any longer. And having the wife retired in the house all the time now, I'm going to be out here more, I think. Yeah. So, I don't know what else to tell you here. I'm running out of stuff to talk about, I guess. So, I know a fellow might be down this afternoon now. He's kind of fellow that owns his own truck repair shop. He sometimes tends to drop around in a snowstorm. Oh dear. Anyway, yes, jumping when I was young, I'd be out driving around in a 2-wheel drive truck or car. Now I got a 4-wheel drive truck, and I don't want to be going out anywhere. Oh boy, it's funny how you change. Anyway, I guess I'll also leave this for now. I might just kind of leave this going here, I guess. What I'm kind of trying to say. I may get back to you later on or something else. This could be I don't know if it will be or not, but anyway. Depending on what goes on tomorrow, the daughter and son-in-law and grandchildren are supposed to be coming here for tomorrow, Sunday, Christmas get-together on Sunday. But, depending on the weather, and he drives a snowplow, so he may not be in. And it may be a busy day, and I got to clean the driveways. That's going to be tomorrow, and anyway. And then I may have to go to a supper tomorrow evening, so hard to say what tomorrow's going to bring. So today might be kind of the Sunday afternoon fireside chat. Could be done on Saturday. I think I did mention that earlier in the week. So that what might be going on. There's the wood pile. That's where it's at this week. It's going down. And I don't know if I got enough for the end of December or not. I think maybe I do. I don't know. Well, we'll see. I'll take a picture of it on December 31st. We'll see where I'm at. So I don't know what Kenny is getting today. Kenny at Open Air Adventure is in Cape Breton. So I don't know what he's getting today, but I kind of think he mentioned a snow and rain mix yesterday there, so I don't know what he is getting today. Anyway, most of probably the Maritimes are getting snow, and on the radar it looked like Newfoundland was getting a fair amount of snow too, so I don't know what's going on over there. And the radar is showing that this should be I kind of think it's going to be moved out by early evening, I think. The winds will drop and the snow will drop off and all that kind of stuff. So that could mean that I could get out and clean the driveway this evening in the dark, couldn't I? That ain't going to happen. That's for sure. Years ago it would have. Not now. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble and go on foolish like I normally do. So I'll probably get back to you a little bit later here. I'll like to say, I'll just kind of keep this open for a while yet. And I might get back to you with some more weather updates as the time goes on. The winter storm warning is still the same from this morning, so it doesn't change until around 4 o'clock or so. It changes at 11 o'clock a.m. and around 4 p.m. and then again 11 p.m. and then around 4 a.m. again. So there's 4 updates in the run of a day. So snow's here, you know. You're standing here looking at that, and you think back to a nice hot day in July. Oh, excuse me. It's a nice hot day in July. Oh, it's quite a difference as compared to today. Oh dear, excuse me. All right, I'm going to stop rambling. I'll get back to you later, maybe. All right, well, I guess it's time for me to go in the house. It's about 3 hours later, I guess. And just been sitting out here watching the YouTube things, and it's still nasty out. It's not snowing as much, but it is still quite windy. So last time I was outside and had a look, it kind of looks like there could be maybe 9 to 10 inch snowbanks here and there. Not everywhere. It's probably more like 3 to 6 inches everywhere, and then you get the odd 9 to 12 snowbank, I guess. So anyway, I guess this will conclude today's video, and we'll hopefully get that machine out tomorrow and see what happens. I'll try and do a video. I can't quite remember how to do outside videos in the snow blowing since it's been since last winter, I guess, so I'll have to do some thinking on that. Anyhow, I'm going to go in and see what I can rustle up for supper. And we'll have a look as we're going in here. Get the lights off and everything. And you might not be able to see a lot, I guess, because it's dark, I guess. So. Could be 8 to 9 inches in places. Kind of see there, it's up a little bit there, so. decoration. The orange you see there, those are those candles you put in the window from years ago with the orange bulbs. Not too much traffic today anyway, that's for sure. Yeah, we've got a little bit of stuff to clean up here, that's for sure. Certainly not a major snowstorm, that's for sure, too. It's kind of hard to see even. Anyway, it kind of gets us primed up for the rest of the winter, I guess. All right. I guess we'll call her good for now, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.